long before farms, cooking pots, or even villages. Early humans survived through instinct, skill, and the harsh rhythm of nature. In the Stone Age, every meal was earned. Every bite was a victory against starvation. Tonight, as the sun rises over the prehistoric valley, we follow Torg, Luma, and the elder Grog as they prepare for a new day of survival. What did cavemen actually eat? Let's step back in time to discover the real prehistoric menu. For early humans, hunting was dangerous but necessary. Torg and Luma sharpened their stone-tipped spears at sunrise, preparing for the day's hunt. Weapons were simple: flint blades, wooden shafts, and sharpened bone. But in the hands of skilled hunters, they were deadly. Tracking begins silently, moving through tall grass while watching for movement. Prehistoric deer were the most reliable source of meat, fat, bone marrow, and sinew. Every part of the animal was used. A successful hunt meant the tribe would eat well. A failed one meant hunger. Hunters read the land like a map. Luma kneels beside fresh hoof prints, tracing the edges with her fingers. Broken branches show where animals passed, while claw marks warn of predators competing for the same prey. Stone Age hunters relied on every sense: footsteps, wind direction, the smell of earth after rain. To survive, they had to become part of the landscape itself. While hunters searched the forests, gatherers collected the plants that made up most of the tribe's diet. Women and children filled baskets with berries, roots, nuts, and wild herbs. These foods provided vitamins, energy, and medicine, things meat alone could never supply. Luma carefully studies each plant. One wrong choice could mean illness, or worse. The Stone Age diet was not just about meat. It was a balanced relationship with the land. Rivers were lifelines. Torg wades into the cold water, waiting for the perfect moment. A sudden splash, then a strike. Fish were rich in protein and fat, vital for survival. Even children collected shellfish along the riverbanks, adding more food to the evening meal. Cooking in the Stone Age was clever and resourceful. The tribe roasted meat over open flames, boiled water in animal skin pouches using red-hot stones, and baked roots on heated flat rocks. Herbs gathered earlier are sprinkled over the fire, filling the air with smoky, wild aroma. Food wasn't just fuel, it was a moment of peace, warmth, and community. As the day ends, the tribe gathers around the fire. Meat, fish, berries, nuts, and roots are shared among everyone, young and old. Even the bones are cracked open for rich, creamy marrow, one of the most prized foods of the Stone Age. In every season, spring berries, summer fish, autumn nuts, winter-dried meat, the tribe adapts and survives. And as the fire crackles under the fading orange sky, we're reminded that every meal was earned through skill, courage, and unity. This was the true diet of early humans. This is what cavemen really ate.